This video is about sitting in forwards. Kev did a video about sitting in fakie, where you turn around and go in fakie. I personally think that's a lot easier to do. It was easier for me to learn, and it's less speed. But if you sit in forward, it will give you a lot of momentum going into the transition from sitting, so it can be a great skill to learn as well, to set you up for carving in the bowl and stuff like that with speed. So to do this, you have to get your butt all the way out to the edge of the coping. You really need to be on a higher transition. A really low transition won't really give you enough time to complete it, but you want to get your sitting bones all the way out to the edge as much as possible. Bend your knees, and you're going to bring your wheels as close up toward your butt as you can as you push the coping away with your arms, and dive forward with your torso, which is super important, like so. The most important part to me is pulling the wheels up towards you as you dive your torso forward, so your body kind of makes that cannonball sort of position as you go down into the transition. I'll try it again. Bringing the butt all the way out, or as much out as possible, onto the edge. Hands are on the coping. I'm going to pull the wheels up as I push the coping away and dive forward. So the most important part is really that forward momentum, pushing away the coping, pulling your wheels up so you don't loop out backwards, so your body stays in more of a little ball position. So hopefully that's useful and you guys can use it. Please let us know, and please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.